We used to have older cameras, but they didn't look as good, and a lot of people didn't really know they were cameras because they were chunky, they didn't have a screen. Whereas now on these ones, the person being recorded can actually see themselves.
With the front-facing screen especially, it lights up, you see yourself on it.
The camera itself can cut the time where somebody's messing about. If I've got a camera on, people always calm down because they can see their face, they'll calm down.
The difference is made having the cameras now is they see themselves on the screen. It does kind of sort out the issue itself straight away because they know they are being recorded.
It does make you realise you are being recorded and everything you do is being recorded and taken down as evidence.